look at this. That does stand for HVAC. It leaked into my unit. Look at this. I don't know if I bought the additional insurance. I don't even know if they offer it. I have no idea if my homeowners will cover this. I hope it will. Fuck. I don't know how long it's been leaking. But just from the size of the puddle, these people are in worse case than I am. Because the water puddle goes all the way out here. And you can see it's all along the under edge of this garage door. I hope they come out here soon. Because they're hosed. So, instead of hanging out with my best friend today, I'm moving my shit from one storage unit into another. This just sucks.